Today, I'll show you how to set up Devin's environment for your repo. Think of this as setting up Devin's laptop. You do it once, and every future session starts from that pre-configured state. First, make sure that Devin has access to your repo. We'll go to Settings, Connections, and then we'll connect GitHub. Now that we've connected GitHub, we'll go back to Settings, we'll go down to Resources, and we'll click on Environment. Next, we'll go to Repositories, we'll click Add, and we'll search for the repository that we'd like to add. Next, click on the repo to open the Blueprint editor. Initialize installs tools and runtimes and runs only once during the build. Maintenance installs dependencies surfaced to Devin at session start. And knowledge tells Devin your lint, test, and build commands. These are executed only by the agent loop and not during setup. You can also configure your repository secrets. If you go here, you can see that I have set my database URL as a secret. Here, I've configured my environment to use Node.js version 26. When we click Save, a build starts automatically. We can monitor builds under Environment and then Snapshots. Once the build shows success, you can start a new Devin session and ask it to run your lint or test commands to confirm everything works. A pro tip is that you can skip all of this and just start a session and say, set up your environment for this repo. Devin will analyze your project, propose a blueprint, and you can just click Approve. And that's it. One-time setup, and every Devin session from now on boots into a ready-to-code environment.